All right, your number 10 looks different, right? It's exactly the same, but I just moved and made room. The reason why is every one of these problems, I'm going to do it on a graph, okay? For those who can do this by just applying the rule, go ahead, right? I'm going to show all the work for it, okay? So the first one, okay, it says it is an image of 2, 5 after a 90-degree clockwise rotation. So let's grab the point here. This is 2, 6 is right here. This is what A is, okay? So notice it's basically this is 2, and then let me grab a different color. So this is 2, then this is 6, and it is this triangle. Just imagine this triangle. You're going to rotate that triangle 90 degrees clockwise. So it's going to rotate this way. So it's going to look like this. 2 here, then it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to look like that. So this would be the new point of A prime. So A prime would be 6 comma negative 2. Notice it does follow the rule x comma y arrow y comma negative x for 90 degrees clockwise rotation. Okay, I just wanted to show the proof for that visually. What is the image of that after 90 degrees counterclockwise? So B is negative 1, 5 is right here, B. And then you want to get the B prime after a counterclockwise. So this is 1, and this is what? 5. So this is the triangle. That's a horrible triangle. Okay, let me try to do that better. This is 1. This is 5, right? Okay. Then you want to rotate it so it looks like this. It goes right here. Right? So this is 1, and this is also 5. So the point's here. B prime, because it's going 90 degrees counter clockwise. So it is the point here. The point here, it is negative 5 comma negative 1. So the answer, B prime, it is negative 5 comma negative 1. It does follow the rule x comma y arrow. Okay, the y changes value and the x just gets swapped. That's the rule for 90 degrees counterclockwise. Right? Okay, let's take a look. What is the pre-image of this before it underwent a rotation of 180? So C, it is negative 3, negative 10. So it's right here. Negative 3, negative 10 is right here. Okay, so this is 3, and this is 10. Right? Think about this in terms of a triangle. So it's going to go up 10 and across 3. Right? 10, 3. So its pre-image was actually what? 3 comma 10 as C. It does follow the rule x comma y arrow negative x comma negative y. All right? Even if you want to find the pre-image, you just apply the transformation again to get it back to where it was. Okay, what is the pre-image of 5 comma negative 3 before it underwent a 90 degrees counterclockwise? Okay, so D prime is right here, 5 comma negative 3. Okay, D prime. Now, something's going to happen, right? It went a 90 degrees counterclockwise, right? So its original point is somewhere in this quadrant right here. So let's see. This was a 3 and this was a 5, right? Perfect. All right, or yeah, I can do it like this if it makes if you feel better here. Right? So this is 5 and this is a 3. So you can rotate that. This is a 5 and this is a 3. Okay, it would be this point, right? It's because what is happening is it is a 9 degrees counterclockwise. So it's going from this point, and it's going here. This is the 9 degrees counter clock. So it's this point of -3 comma -5. Essentially, you're just applying that rule again. X comma y. Okay, it looks like the X is changing sign and the Y gets swap. That makes sense. That is the rule for the 9 degrees. Wait, hold on. It's before it underwent a clockwise. Oops, sorry. That is a counter. This is a counter, sorry. So the clock would be up here somewhere. Let me see. Let me fix that. 3, 5. Wait, hold on. This would look better. 3, 5. This would be correct. So it would actually be 3 comma 5 right there, right? Because this would be the 9 degrees clock. So this would be the correct answer. So let's see, it's going from 3 comma 5 all the way to that. So what is changing? The Y value is changing. So let's clean this up. The Y value is changing. Okay, that makes sense. That does follow the rule of a 9 degrees counterclockwise. So this would be the answer. Okay.